Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we're going to learn how to put a poll on your YouTube video. For that you have to come to your Creator Studio on YouTube, and in the option go to the videos, select a particular video that you want to put a poll on, and click on that videos, click on details, and in here you can see in details an option below end screen called cards. Click on cards and it will take you to this page, and you must select a point where you want your account, you want to put the poll on. So for example, if I want to put a poll around here, for example, and I add a card, and when you click on add card you get 3 to 4 options. That's called you want to promote a video or anything, because you will see that in this option. So you can promote your video, your another channel, or you can put a poll. That's what we're going to do in this video. So first we're going to click on create, and in this poll you can select up to 5 options. For example, if I'm right, what do you think of this channel? What do you think of this channel? And I put option nice, better, excellent, wow, mind-blowing. And that way I'm going to click on create cards, and that way boom, the card has been created at a position called 0.38. If you go to YouTube now and search for this video, alright, we have come to the over video, and now we can move on to 0.38 to see if poll is there, and we end up at 0.36 and click on it, and if we see it, alright, we'll move to 0.38 and we'll see now. Alright, you can see here the poll. What do you think of our YouTube channel? Alright, it's a little bit back. And what do you think of this channel? Nice, better, excellent. And you can select any option, and boom, you can see the poll has been created. This way you can add polls to your video to make sure the audience is engaging to your video. And that's it for today's, and please make sure to subscribe and keep visiting Tig's Schooling.